This is another episode and obviously another vlog. So just stay with me as we embark on another trading day. Today is Sunday, by the way, and about getting ready to go to church. And I feel that's all for now. So stay blessed, stay peaceful, and stay bullish.
This man have yash.
Oh, see the driver. You're going to go to your way too. Let me. It's about. Oh, see, I did.
So we are currently in Oslo clock, and this is Asian session. So I'm just going to, as usual, show you the pair I'm currently on and my anticipation for other pairs. So this is Monday. Let's just jump right into the chart. This is good. I just expect for her to fall down. Reason being, the market is respecting this level here. So since market respected this level here, it fell down on a Thursday. So market is now respecting this level. On a Thursday was it an NFP due to Friday was Independence Day for the US. So currently on this trade, as you can see, risk entered in. The time is currently 1:35. On other pair like the GBP, JPY for example, our fancy market comes towards this area here. Market comes to this area, then I will take it buy. Or if it comes to this area, I will take a sell. For USD JPY, same thing. Market comes to this area here, I will take it buy. It's currently rejecting this area here, but I don't fancy the buys. You get? It's currently rejecting this area, but I don't fancy the buy, so I'll rather take a buy in here or a sell in here. And last but not least, as usual, UPS the same thing, so I'm only going to fancy a sell limit at this level. So let me go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, this is how she is looking, so I'm fancying a sell here or a buy limit at this point. I feel that's all for now. Fingers crossed down. Just fingers crossed. So there's nothing I have any control over. So that's just the simple truth. So we keep watching out. If there's any updates, let you know. Peace out for now. I think we have a setup now. This is a GBPUSD sales. I think we have a late entry, but notwithstanding, I'm going to go ahead and show you the trade setup. I'm going to go ahead and show this trade setup. I think I think we have a setup now. This is the GBPUSD sales. So stop loss is supposed to be around this area. And yes, this is the setup. So like I said earlier, I reckon I wanted market to come to this area, this black line here, below this brown line, and fall down. But so far market is making a resistance here instead. So that is the reason why I'm saying up here. Stop loss will be above this high or this low market has created. The market can continue going down. Meanwhile on the XAUUSD, that is good. I fancy market will keep on dropping down. That would be a good thing for us. So I didn't what's it called see a reason for entering this trade earlier, but I kept pushing up. I checked the higher time frames and I think I found a reason why I should buy. Obviously, if I should show the chart on USDJP, I said I was going to sell if it reaches a particular area or buy if it reaches a particular area. The area I was supposed to buy from, market didn't reach that point, and it's going up and it has already touched that area that I was supposed to sell from. So I bought instead. And meanwhile on JPJP, the same stop that I expected. So this is 444. We are currently maxed out on the account. Let me just show you the setup. This is USD JPY as can be seen here. So this was the point where I said I wanted to sell from this line here. But market instead came here. I feel it has done a double bottom here, first bottom, second bottom. See, I was expecting market to come as that one there to buy, but since market didn't come to that level, so I feel market should just continue going. So I've entered the buy setup instead. It's okay, see gold. Gold is still going down pretty much. This is GBP JPY as can be seen here. So I'm in on a buy on GBP JPY. This is a buy trade I am on. So hoping, obviously I didn't see any setup when it was going up because I wanted market to come to this area and push the drop side, but since it hasn't done that for reasons best known to it, I went on the higher time frame. If you check the 4 hours, you will notice market, you can see market is currently printing a bullish engulfing, and on the daily you will notice that market is also printing, also rejecting the low. The low, you can see the low of the candlestick and it's rejecting this purple line, and on the weekly the same thing. So I feel for that it should be a buy and 1 day and 1 month. Yes, that's just it. That's 79. So on the GBP, on the USD JPY, which made me sell the trade, which made me buy the trade instead. On the 4 hour, you can see market. On 4 hour, you can see market is printing. You can see this big 4 hour bearish and bullish candlestick. On the daily, this is the daily. So my market is rejecting this. This is my ash line. So hopefully the market will continue to the upside. And on the monthly, so this is how she looks on the monthly. So since we are maxed out, these are the positions. Yeah. Since we are maxed out, and if the trade doesn't go against us in Asian session, then we'll be looking at the London session for a good news. So till then, fingers crossed, and feel that's all for now. So still we see again in the next slide.
Alright, what will I say this time around? So this is currently after 9 p.m. after 9 a.m. So this is 1 hour past London open session, and I'm just going to show you the updates and what is happening so far. Let me just get right into the charts.
This is the profit we are on. Gold is in profit, GU profit, JPY profit, USD JPY profit. This is the USD JPY buys. You can see it's going nicely in profit, so it's respecting these levels that I put on the chart. So that's it. So expecting it to go as high as possible. So I'm going to hold through the to New York Open, and this is good. This is good. This is still going strong. So hopefully to reach this area or maybe this area, still reach strong. GBP USD 2. I'm expecting it to do small noise around this area. So let's see what is going to happen there. Last but not the least, GBP JPY, and I'm expecting it to continue going up. So far the account is looking doubled. Wow, what a miracle. Today is looking better than the last vlog we did. Trading wise. So let's see what will happen. So like I said, I'm holding all the straight into the New York session. That's it. Keep it locked in. So yeah, I'm just waking up. I'm just waking up. This is 12:40 by the way. Good news. Ahead of New York session in 20 minutes. So we are going to continue trading our New York session.
this is currently the new session. This is about 12.5. So let me just show you what we're about to have for launch here. We'll go straight on the chart. So that is what we have for the afternoon. Anyway, that's what we have for the afternoon. So this while it's cooking, we'll all back on the chat now. Let's see the outcome of the market. So guys, welcome to the New York session. I am just going to go right into the chart and just show you our P&L. This is for gold. I'm leaving gold position running because I'm very hopeful that it will continue going down. Meanwhile on GU, I closed that position because I don't like what the weekly and the 4-hour is showing. GPY, I'm leaving it running while USDJPY, I've equally closed out position. So if I start with USDJPY, then go upward. This is USDJPY. It has come as far as here. I might hold it here as far as it can go. But for now, since it has reached this pink level here, that's why I closed that position. Let me see whatever it will do. Then on GBP which is this on the daily time frame, you can see how beautiful she's looking. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour you can see she's just pushing radically to the upside. She's pushing radically to the upside. So yes, that is what we have for GBP. So I'm holding full position. Meanwhile on GU, you can see GU is beginning to go up. Why I don't fancy it because if you go to the 4-hour, look at what it's forming currently. The bullish engulfing. You can see and the 4-hour candle closing like 40 minutes. Meanwhile on the weekly, this is how she looks like on the weekly time frame. But I am still holding trade because if I might even have not closed partial positions, but this blue line or this Leon line, the market seems to be coming to. Go to the daily. Market has rejected it twice. Market has rejected it twice on the daily. You can see this top here, then this top. You can see the market rejected it twice. So I feel it's going to continue go down. Last but not least, gold. Gold has not given us anything special yet. This is just average. Obviously, this pink is making a noise and everything, but I will consider that average. So I'm still going to hold for more. Probably till as far as here. So that is that for the New York Open. We are currently on this. So we are currently deep into the New York session, and on the 5K we've made about almost 1 to 2. So on 5K we made 10K extra on it, $10,000 extra on it. I'm going to close 1/3 of some positions, while some positions I will leave it run because I see very big potential in them. Like this, for example, this GBP I'm just going to close half a position. And 1/3 of a position, I'm just going to close 4 lot size and leave 2 lot size running. On USDJPY, I've already closed half of the position, so I'm just going to close 1.5 and leave the remaining running. I've closed, it was 6 lots, I've closed 3 lots earlier, so let me just close 1.5 and leave the remaining running. Meanwhile, on gold, this is gold here. I still fancy she's going to come down, so for now I'm going to do nothing. I'm just going to hold the trade. So she might come down and still fall a little bit downward. Meanwhile on GBP/USD, this is GBP/USD. Same thing for GBP/USD. So I fancy she's going to reach here, then fall down, or she's going to, whatever she does, if she doesn't go take me against this level, I'm going to just keep holding. So gold USD, now you can see our balance. It was at 15. This is just clean 1 to 3 risk reward ratio we have done. But for now, I'm just going to hold the trade and see how well the position is going to plan out. So that's it. It's currently like 9:50 there by for months. So just enjoy the background. Let's see more of it. I thought I said less and more nature.
Wow, here come dry. Bye bye.
What happened? I didn't put that thing together. So people sleep. People go to bed very, very early here. So this is 9:50, like I said. The vehicles are approaching. So this is by the time this is 4:28. I was slept. I was supposed to be online and awake for Asian session, but we overslept. I'm just going to give you the feedback of all the trades that were taken. I was supposed to close the trade like before that market spread of 10 p.m. there about GMT +1, but I still fancied some potential in some trades going in that direction, so I decided to hold and close it. Yeah, they was to close before Asian session beginning. But since that didn't happen, so I'm just going to show you the outcome, the charts and the outcome. This is what we have here: gold sales, GBP USD sales, and GBP JPY. I closed all positions for USD JPY. This is the history. So this is the history. This is the GUs. This is GU. I closed partial position earlier, like I said, and GBP JPY buys close 1/3 of it and 2/3 of it. USD JPY just closed all the full position. So that is it. And these are the trades running. On the USD JPY, the idea was to sell, buy the market, can notice, see where stop loss was, and see where price currently is. So we got GBP, you got USD JPY correct. On gold, I would have had a what's it called, stop loss remover. You can see price came to the stop loss. But why we are currently running here is because we didn't use a hard stop. So if the price was very against us, it would have just kept on going against us. We didn't use the hard stop. So what I'm noticing is that market is still going to come down, but it came here to, because last week it rejected this my purple line, as you can see. But this week it just came to make the retest, which unfortunately I might have taken out the stop loss if there was a stop loss. I feel very much the market is going to go further down, but I can't say now because I'm just coming online and I've not analyzed my chart yet. So I just want to just wrap up this video. And this is GPUSD equally. So it seems to perform something on this pink line, which I wouldn't enjoy. And GBP JPY. This is GBP JPY. You can see where we bought it. If I go to the 1 hour, this is where we bought, and still our market has gone. So we have previously are doing something right. At least our balance is showing like 1 to almost 200% increase. I think yes, this is the same thing as last week, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that was that for now. So till we see you in another video. Peace out.